Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back today on this Thursday, January 18th. My my first Amazon unboxing. I hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I got a big old box. I do believe this is from Sela Toys, Sela Corp. Check them out. Links are going to be down below. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime. You get one of these for your kids' birthdays, Christmases, graduations. In case he's sick or hurt, share them up. Get one of these at a low cost. There we go. And today, there we go. Boom. Whoa. There we go. Call of Warrior. Target shooting, high accuracy. Oh, look at that. It's a little bumblebee or something. Infrared emission. It's like a laser tag. Laser shooting war game props. No parents and now parents child. Alright. Alright. Sound light laser contest. Oh. So you might want to buy 2 of them. Oh, there's some kind of glove to get. Let's see. The IR server. Receiver. Light switch. So this is our gun. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Let's open it up. Kind of looks like Call of Duty, dude. Or Resident Evil. There we go. Top part. Here we go. That open. There we go. Bada boom. Out of the box. And we got here USB. Oh, power for the bug to charge. Alright. I gotta snip these things off. Nicely packaged. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, just drop the gun. Just drop the gun. It's kind of like from the Men in Black, Resident Evil type guns. Shooting some zombies. Aliens. I don't know about this meteor thing. Kind of crazy. There we go. Ow. I got this little bug guy. Now here's the something. Cards, deck of cards. Shakalaka. I'll keep this in there. Not sure exactly what that is quite yet. Let's see what kind of batteries we need. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver, come in handy. Bop, bop, bop. Yeah. Very nice quality made. There we go. Open sesame. Okay, screwdriver. Okay, let's see. I need one really fast. Hold on, YouTube. Give me 1 minute. Shoot. Okay, it's coming. Oh, this was always screwdriver I used. Wait a second. Put you on pause. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we are again with the Call of Warrior Sela Toys on Amazon. I just got that thing charging from my portable charger power bank. Charging up Alien. You got the gun. think there's multiple guns. Just gotta hit this. That's shotgun. Not sure if this is supposed to start on, but I think it still needs a charge. But that's like a target practice. It goes around, stuff like that. You shoot it. So nice sound. Whoa. It's like a rocket or something. I don't know. Pretty cool. You guys can get one though. Check out the links. I want to see if this starts up though. Out of ammo. Did lit up though. We got it. Plugging in here. You guys can see. I can't see. Like that. Bam. Now that's light up. So it might be completely dead. It's like a Raspberry Pi. But it is really cool. Got to reload. It's supposed to do something, but whoa, lasers. I'm not sure about these cars. These supposed to? Huh. I wish this guy would start up though. But that's what it looks like. Everything's set up. And then you can always buy the accessories they have. The body armor. Wow. This is the gun. It's a Martian mechanical beetle. There's a glove I don't have. Alright. Man, this brings me back to the good old days of laser tag. And then just gotta hit the button right there. But maybe for the Amazon video, it's gonna be up. And some heavy machinery. And once you get hit, these light up. 1, 2, 3. Really cool. Try and make it. Oh, there's a laser. Looks like bottom. Nice and lightweight. Alrighty, YouTubers, there it is. Selco Toys, Call of Warrior, laser gun. But the Beetle is not working. That is thinking it needs a longer charge. So, but if you guys really want to see, I'm pretty sure it's going to be on my Instagram a little bit later, and also on the Amazon. So bam, pretty cool. But maybe we'll give it a minute. But my battery pack is charged. It's connected the right way. Just not sure how long it takes for the Beetle to charge. You might tell. But always grab a couple extra batteries. You need 4 AA's. So use Amazon's. That'll come in handy. 2-person gun to gun. I don't think charge. Take out Oh, the Beetle charging time is 20 to 30 minutes. Play time is 10 to 20. Okay. I don't think we have 20 minutes to wait on the Beetle though. But it does work. Everything's going to be posted up on the Instagram once that's situated. I don't think it's going to go, to be honest, right now. It's only been probably 2 minutes. Okay. Oh. Huh. There's no on and off button. So I think it might be. Okay, dokie. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good day, good night, and be safe out there, and see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.